Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find deleted search history on Instagram. So once you click search and click on recent on the search, you will see your recent searches. Now, if you don't need those, you may also want to go to your profile, and on your profile you want to go ahead and click three lines at the top and click your activity. From here you want to go ahead and look at recent searches. You may find them if you have deleted them recently, then you may find it here. Now, what another thing you want to do is go ahead to the bottom here of your activity, click download your information. From here, you want to go ahead and download or transfer information, some information, and now you will choose what you actually need. So, for example, let's look at it if they have it. Now here it is, recent searches. And also maybe let's try to find some deleted information. But basically you can go ahead and download it here. And that's basically it. After that you click next, download to device, and your download, create a file, date range, and you will download your information. So if this video was useful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.